How to unlock locked TikTok account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video we are going to be discussing on how we can unlock a locked TikTok account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now your TikTok account could be locked for multiple reasons. Maybe TikTok has shadow banned your account, or maybe it has simply temporarily disabled the IP address from accessing TikTok server. There could be a couple of reasons for that. Now if you still can open TikTok though, I can suggest you one thing, that is to simply open it up and then come to your profile page, tap on the three lines from the top right, go to settings and privacy, scroll down to the bottom, go to report a problem. Once you go to report a problem, just send a report to TikTok claiming that you want to fully unlock your account in order to enable all of the access, right? But if you cannot log into your account, then what you have to do is you have to just open up your browser, and then once you open up your browser, what you want to do is in the search box you just want to type in TikTok support. So just go ahead and then type in TikTok support here. Once you type in TikTok support here, you can see TikTok help center, and here you'll find report a problem link, right? So even if you cannot log into your account, you can access this from the web server. So just go to report a problem link over here. Once you go to report a problem link right over here, currently you can see the TikTok application or this website will not load properly, so you might need to refresh it a couple of times. So over here you can see report a comment, report a direct message, whatever else you think is actually convenient for you. So you can see report another issue and so on. So right over here you can find the option called report another issue. Just tap on it, and once you tap on the report another issue option, you will be able to simply send a feedback to TikTok claiming that you want to unlock your account. You want to make sure to enter your username and then just ask them for help to unlock your account if you cannot log into TikTok from the application. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then actually fix the locked account on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.